Do you want to create stunning designs without any design experience? Canva is the perfect solution. In this video, I'll show you how to use Canva to create professional designs effortlessly, whether you're a beginner or a pro. First, what is Canva? Canva is a free online design tool that allows you to create logos, social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. It offers thousands of ready-made templates that you can customize with just one click. Second, how to get started with Canva. Sign up and create an account. You can start for free or upgrade to Canva Pro for advanced features. Choose a ready-made template. Find a design that suits your needs, whether it's a poster, infographic, or short video. Easily edit your design. Add text, images, icons, and filters with a simple drag-and-drop system. Download your design in high quality. Once finished, you can export it in formats like N, PDF, or MP4. Third, why should you use Canva? Easy to use, no design experience required. Huge template library, over 100,000 ready-to-use templates. Designed for any purpose, from freelancing and marketing to personal projects. Now you can create professional designs in minutes. Try Canva and start turning your ideas into amazing visuals. Follow Glimpse for more smart tools to design and market your content.